In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Dropbox file history. By the end, you'll know 2 quick ways to check an item's past versions right from the web and from your computer, so you can confidently see when changes were made and by whom. Let's start with the web method. Open your preferred browser and go to dropbox.com. Sign into your account, then navigate to the file you want to review. Click the file once to select it. When you do, you'll see a preview panel appear on the right side of the screen. Look toward the top right corner of that panel for the 3 dots menu. Click those 3 dots and then choose version history. That's it for the web method. This opens a dedicated history view for that file where you can see a timeline of changes complete with dates, times, and the account that made each edit. It's a reliable way to audit edits and understand how a file has evolved. Simply viewing the history won't change the file, so it's safe to explore. Now let's look at the desktop app method. On Windows, open File Explorer. On a Mac, open Finder. Navigate to your Dropbox folder just like you would any other folder on your computer. Find the file you want, then right-click it. In the context menu that appears, hover over the Dropbox option. From there, click Version History. When you select it, Dropbox will typically open your default web browser and take you directly to that file's history page, the same view we saw in the web method. This approach is convenient if you already have the file open locally or you're browsing your files on your computer. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the 3 dots on the web preview, try selecting the file again or widening your browser window so the panel has room to display. If the Dropbox option doesn't appear when you right-click on your computer, make sure the Dropbox desktop app is installed, running, and you're signed in. Also, remember that version history is tied to individual files, not entire folders, and your ability to view it depends on your access permissions for that file. And that's all there is to it. Use the web if you're already in your browser, or right-click from your desktop if you're working locally. Both methods take you to the same clear timestamped history view for your file. Thanks for watching.